Ano?
Pero kasi if you're a team like PNP na naghahabol ka during the game, you can't afford or hindi na pwede magkaroon ng errors. Kaya naman sa Army, sobrang lamang nila, okay lang sa kanila. Parang wala effect.
Well, you know what? Kailangan lang talaga dito ng PNP magkaroon ng magandang reception. That will be the start of everything. 4 aces, that is unforgivable para sa iyo. Wala namang jump server dyan, wala namang power server dyan sa kupunan ng Army, di ba?
And sabi rin talaga ni Coach kanina dun sa second timeout niya, di ba? Kailangan lang talaga nila mag-receive kasi sa reception nag-uumpisa lahat talaga ng plays mula sa setter.
Let's see if they can adjust dito po pagdating sa ating second set. Muli, nakita niyo po kami, Noel Zarate kasama si Michelle Gumabaw at umiikot-ikot dito po sa San Juan Arena si Rina Villamor. So we are about to get this second set underway and we will have our first look dito kay Jeline Labrador. Napapasok yan, utility spiker naman ng San Beda. So lahat ng bata pinapasok na rito ni Coach Pop Malenab. Earlier we did see Robbie Remigio, formerly of FEU, pero balik na yung setting duties dito kay Veronica Concepcion sa PNP as we begin our second set. Here's Shasha Torres now, masyado malapit niya para kay Michelle Carolino na adliban pa rin. Nakuha naman na isa pang Michelle, si Michelle or make that Pachari Sangmuang as Molina hits it into the net.
Good save, kaso hindi na nakuha nandun sa third try.
Right. At medyo malamyang simula rito ni Molina na alam natin medyo explosive tong batang to. So let's see if she can get done. Yeah. Salak.
Kanina siya pa rin ang gumagawa sa first set.
Right. Sangmuang off the block of Balse. Here's Gonzaga. Second ball pa lang yon. Now Balse. Salak going across now to Michelle Carolino. Nice coverage there from Marciano. And that win and Sangmuang did not know was going to get the ball.
Pareho matatangkad.
Oo.
Nagkagulo silang dalawa. Nakita mo dun sa katabi niya. Sige, ikaw na.
Ito yung ngiti dito ni Mitch. Ay, sa'yo ba yun?
Pero as compared to our other import, itong si Sangmuang marunong mag-English.
Oh, yeah. Hintayin natin dumating yung, of course, dito sa Shakey's V-League, sa Smart Maynilad. Yung isa pa marunong mag-English dyan, si Pinok Quezini, who used to play for Ateneo. And now we'll see action for Smart Maynilad. And if it's Fun Family Pizza, it's gotta be Shakey's. Here's Veronica Concepcion on the serve. Salak, nice set to Balse. Pero nice dig also there by Concepcion. Sangmuang. Salak now, quick set to Balse. Nandun si Marciano. Here's Sangmuang. Ay, ganda ng pagkapayong doon ni Gonzaga.
Walang nagawa. Yung open spiker nitong PNP. Pag gano'n naman talaga katangkad, yung dalawa mong...
Haba rin ito. Tingnan mo, ganda ng timing. And that is the way. Nakita mo yung kamay ni Gonzaga? That is the correct way to block.
Balse din.
Oo.
Perfect yung papayong nila dun sa taas ng net.
So 3-1 Army. Balse. Here's Concepcion ngayon. It's a good set to Sangmuang. Yan ang gusto ni Sangmuang. Yung talagang halos nasa tuktok na ng antena, habulin niya.
Challenge niya yung blocker na, sige, blockin mo ako. Pero check out yung gagawin talaga niya.
And it does work for the 30-something-year-old. Binanggit na ni Rina kanina, edad niya. Ayaw naman niya ipaalam na
It's
medyo,
a secret.
Veteran. Sabihin natin, veteran of the game. Jovelyn Gonzaga. Si Jeline Labrador, mapapanaginipan yan mamayang gabi.
Hindi niya siguro nakita yun. Ang bilis talaga ng bola.
As in, frozen siya.
Well, it's just her first.
Right.
Unang pagpasok niya sa game natin today.
Carolina with the serve. Here's Concepcion ngayon, going to Molina. Check out na naman ang nangyari dito. So ngayon, PNP is discovering the power of their attacks against the defense of Army.
Kailangan siguro alamin lang nila yung combination or yung tamang power, yung tamang posisyon, yung tamang butas para lang makakuha ng puntos.
Sangmuang now on the serve. Salak. And again, Jovelyn Gonzaga going airborne that time. And Rexona Antiperspirant Deodorant, it won't let you down. It is a 5-3 score para sa Philippine Army. Batiin naman natin. Binati na kita ng belated. Batiin ko naman ng happy birthday si Barry Pascua. Simula na po ang month-long celebration ng birthday ng isa sa pinaka-veteranong journalist sa balat ng lupa sa Pilipinas. Yan. Sports journalist. Alam mo ba ito si Barry Pascua? Panahon pa ni... Na-cover na niya yata, daddy mo eh. Nung naglalaro sa PBA. Ano ba? Ayun.
Wala pa talaga ako noon.
Oo. 1983 po naglaro si Dennis Roldan sa PBA para sa Gilbis Gin. At nandun na si Barry Pascua noon.
Happy birthday!
Happy birthday. Yan. Isang buwan yan. So next coverage, Seb naman ang magkikwento tungkol sa mga anecdote tungkol kay Barry Pascua. 6-4. Mas malapit po itong ating second set ngayon as Army is only leading by 2. Jeline Labrador na walang knee pads.
Minsan lang tayo makakita na walang knee pads.
Actually, Concepcion and Molina also not wearing.
Oh.
There are some players, as that shot goes long from Marciano, there are some players talaga uncomfortable na mag-knee pads. Sue Roses is one of them.
Yes. Or siguro lang talaga ayaw lang nila mag-dive. Pagkatulad ko na ayaw mag-dive, wag ka tayo mag-knee pads. Pero pag
Ikaw nag-knee
kailangan.
pads ka naman, di ba?
Kasi tuhod ako pag nag-dive eh. Biglang pagsak.
Yung mga iba naman kasi marunong saluhin yung katawan using their arms as Marciano runs into trouble. And PNP is also running into trouble now as Army has opened up a 4-point lead.
Ito ang Shakey's V-League. Bira na!
Sa loob ng court. Walang usapan ng edad. Husay at tapang ang labanan. Ito ang Shakey's B-League Season 10 Open Conference. Bira na!
And the weekly highlights of the Shakey's V-League is shown every Sunday at 9:30 a.m. dito po sa GMA News TV All Sports. Let's send it now to Rina Villamor.
Yes, Noel, we've mentioned earlier about the injuries of Mayat Carolina and Nene Bautista. Hindi lang yan, may dalawa pang players dito sa Philippine Army na injured din. Itong si Pat Torres who's still nursing a right knee pain at itong si Jack Alarca whose both knees are suffering from a patellar tendinitis. And with that, Coach Rico reminded the team not at any point they can play complacent to today's game. Meanwhile, for the PNP Lady Patrollers, there are three things important for them. First is to talk more inside the court, lalo na kailangan nilang gabayan itong si Pachari Samong dahil nakakapangalawang practice pa lang siya dito sa PNP team natin. Secondly, they need to focus, and thirdly, to play without hesitations. Kailangan buo ang loob nila sa paglalaro dito. Back to you guys.
Ang galing talaga pag si Rina nagre-report ng injury. No? Iba talaga mag physical therapist. Professional PT yung nagre-report tungkol sa
Papaano ko
injury.
eh, ha?
Ano yun? Patellar tendon.
Tendinitis.
Yun.
And then both knees pa, Noel.
Both knees yun. I mean, you played with Jack Alarca in college
Yes.
already. Alam mo na problema yung tuhod niya ever
Yes,
since.
tuhod talaga. And may knee support na siya pagdating ko pa lang.
Well, she's not playing
Hirap.
today. Will not play for a while, actually, according to Assistant Coach Kung Fu Reyes dito sa kupunan ng Philippine Army. As the 4-point lead is being threatened right now by PNP. Third ball lead, dumating si Nene Bautista. Here's that to win. Itatawid lang yung bola. Shasha Torres on the dive. Concepcion, yeah.
Itong PNP, ma-drop ball, ma-soft spike, and nahihirapan ang Army. So, feeling ko, dun dapat sila mag-focus.
And now Marciano sending it deep. Parang grade school yung labanan doon. Pabalik-balik. But Michelle Datuin, natakam, napalakas tuloy yung kanyang tira. So,
Na-excite sa regalo. Parang Christmas. Wow!
Di ba naalala mo, grade school, over lang kayo pag naglalaro.
Tapos pag
Hardly see
namatay,
that
okay.
here. Oo. And Axel is the official outfitter of the Shakey's V-League. Hindi pa, oy, ay.
Making a statement.
Ayan na, si Janine Marciano. Look at that, solid hit. Let's take a look at this again. Our Rexona slow-mo brought to us by Rexona Antiperspirant Deodorant. It won't let you down. Nawala yung bola sa frame. Nagulat si Jovelyn
Cameraman,
Gonzaga.
pakibilis.
Oo. Good serve there coming from Marciano. From behind is Gonzaga. Concepcion now